Hi, hello, this is Giri, teaching 10th Mathematics, the chapter Coordinate Geometry. Now, this video's question is, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. I shall repeat, find the coordinates of points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Let us see the solution. Before go to the solution, let us know what is meant by trisection. Trisection means, you see here there is a line segment AB. This line segment AB is to be divided into 3 equal parts. It is called trisection. If we divide any line segment into 3 equal parts, it is called trisection. The name itself, the meaning is there in the name itself. Trisection means it is divided into 3 parts, 3 sections. Here, in order to divide AB into 3 parts, there should be 2 points. You have to cut AB at 2 points C and D. Here A to C is 1 unit, C to D is 1 unit, and D to B is also 1 unit. Here, we know the coordinates of A and the coordinates of B. You have to find the coordinates of C and D. If you observe C is at a distance of 1 unit from A, and C is at a distance of 1 + 1, 2 units from B. Therefore, C divide the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. Whereas D is at a distance of 1 + 1, 2 units from A and 1 unit from B. Therefore, the points of trisection C, D divide the line segment joining AB internally in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1. 1:2 is the point C and 2:1 is the point D. Now we have to find the coordinates of C and the coordinates of D also. The formula to find internal division: m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here, in order to substitute these values, you need x1 y1, x2 y2 and m1 m2. You see the coordinates of A 4, -1, 4, -1 are x1 y1, and the coordinates of B -2, -3 are the coordinates x2 y2. And in order to find C, m1 is to m2, m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. Now in the given formula, let us substitute. X1 is 4, x2 is -2, y1 is -1, y2 is -3, m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. Then C is equal to m1 x2. m1 is 1 into x2 is -2, 1 into -2 plus m2 x1. m2 is 2 into x1 is 4, 2 into 4 by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2. Similarly, m1 y2 plus m2 y1. m1 means 1, 1 into y2 means -3, 1 into -3 plus m2 y1. m2 is 2 into y1 is -1 by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2. Now let us simplify this. 1 into -2 is -2, 2 into 4 is 8 by 1 plus 2 is 3. Now y coordinate, 1 into -3 is -3, 2 into -1 is -2 by 1 plus 2 is 3. -2 plus 8 is 6 by 3, -3 minus 2 is -5 by 3. After simplification, 6 by 3 is 2 and this y coordinate is -5 by 3. We got the coordinates of C. Now let us find the coordinates of D also. Coordinates of D. In order to get the coordinates of D, here if you look at the diagram, D is at a distance of 2 units from A and 1 unit from B. Therefore, D divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, m1 is 2 and m2 is 1, whereas A and B values remain same. Therefore, D is equal to, again the same formula, m1 x2. m1 is 2 into x2 is -2, 2 into -2 plus m2 x1. m2 is 1 into x1 is 4, 1 into 4, by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 1. Now y coordinate, m1, y2, m1 is 2, into y2 is minus 1, 2 into minus 3. m1, y2, m1 is 2, into y2 is minus 3, 2 into minus 3, plus m2 into y1, m2 is 1, into y1 is minus 1, by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 1. Now let us simplify this. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 1 into 4 is 4, by 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, by 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0 by 3. Minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7 by 3. 0 by 3 is 0 and this is minus 7 by 3. Therefore, the coordinates of the trisection, the point C 2 minus 5 by 3 and the second point is 0 minus 7 by 3. Now let us solve another question. Let me read. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining minus 4, 0 and 0, 6 into 4 equal parts. I shall repeat. Find the coordinates of points which divide the line segment joining minus 4, 0 and 0, 6 into 4 equal parts. In the previous question, we found 2 points that may divide it into 3 parts. Now, it is the question to make it 4 parts. You see, AB is the line segment. This line segment AB is divided into 4 parts by means of C, D and E, 3 points. Since all these are equal parts, A to C is 1 unit, C to D is 1 unit, D to E is 1 unit and D to B is also 1 unit. It is very clear that D is the midpoint of AB, D is midpoint of AB and C is midpoint of AD and E is midpoint of DB. Now let us use the midpoint formula to find the coordinates of C, D and E. You see, the points C, D and E divide the line segment AB into 4 parts and D is the midpoint of AB. You see, D is midpoint of the total line segment AB and C is midpoint of AD and E is midpoint of DB. First of all, let us find D value. We know that D is the midpoint of AB. Now coordinates of A minus 4, 0 and coordinates of B 0, 6. Formula to find midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, minus 4 plus 0 by 2, y1 plus y2, 0 plus 6 by 2. Minus 4 plus 0 is minus 4 by 2, 0 plus 6 is 6 by 2. 2 in minus 4 minus 2 times and 2 in 6 3 times. It is the point D. Now let us find the point C. C means, if you observe, C means it is the midpoint of AD. Therefore, take the coordinates of A and the coordinates of D. Coordinates of A are x1, y1 and coordinates of D are x2, y2. Now C is equal to again the same formula. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Minus 4 minus 2 by 2, 0 plus 3 by 2. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 6 by 2, 0 plus 3 is 3 by 2. 2 in minus 6 minus 3 times and 3 by 2 is same. So that we got the coordinates of C. Next we have to find the coordinates of E. E is midpoint of DB. E is midpoint of DB. Now what are the coordinates of D? Coordinates of D we got previously minus 2, 3. Coordinates of D minus 2, 3. And the coordinates of B 0, 6. This is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Now E is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Minus 2 plus 0 by 2, 3 plus 6 by 2. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2 by 2, 3 plus 6 is 9 by 2. 2 in minus 2 minus 1 times and this is minus 9 by 2. Therefore, the required points are first the coordinates of C minus 3, 3 by 2, coordinates of D minus 2, 3 and the coordinates of E minus 1, 9 by 2. Thank you very much.